Hey guys, we're back. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the automatic door locker guy in an 06 through 10 Ford Explorer. You need a couple things for this job: a flathead screwdriver, a 7mm, and a T27 Torx bit. And a magnet doesn't hurt either. So to start, we just need to pull a few things off. So we're going to be pulling this piece off our door. There's a little lip right here that goes in. So you just want to pull out and up for that. And then this guy down here just comes straight out. Then we're going to have 2 7s in here, 2 7s right here, and 1 7 right here at the bottom of the door. So that's all the bolts are out. So the only thing holding this in place is just some pop tabs. So we're going to go up, and then we have an electrical connector back here. Squeeze tab, and then okay, let me just show you kind of the back of the panel. So the mechanism to undo the door goes in here, and it has 2 little tabs that kick out that you have to pinch in. So you can pull this out to rotate the cable down to get it out of here. Alright, so let's set this aside. And then from here, we're going to peel this back. And you want to be really careful because this is your water barrier thing that keeps everything safe and stuff. So to pull this off and pull this down, I've had this apart before. I'm not gonna lie. I had an actuator laying around. I put it in here and it didn't work. I filmed a video on it and it made me mad. So I'm redoing it, and we've got a new part. Link in description, and that's what we're going with today. So let's pull this down. Now that see, I even manhandled mine and I ripped it, which made me really mad too. So that's not good, but we kind of fixed it with some tape. We'll go back and we'll make sure this is all sealed when we get the new piece in there. Now, the next thing we want to do is we have to take our door latch out to get to that lock. And that's going to be 3 T27s. Now I'm using this baby impact. Normal hand tools work just fine on these. That's right, and they're going to be right here in the door. Do. And maybe it broke my T27. Thanks, Snap-on. Luckily, I have another one. I am going to keep that in the video to show you some things that can happen. Going the right direction. There's just going to be these little jobbers here. There, we're going to take all 3 of those out. And if you haven't had this out, it's going to be funny because it's going to be really hard and then it's going to go pop. And be really easy. Just like that. So got all 3 of those guys out. Now we can go ahead and we can snake this out it's It's going to come out from right here. There's going to be 2 electrical connectors on it. So we want to unhook that guy from the top. He's going to snake down. Oh, in the door. We got a good view of it here. So in the door, see that orange piece right there? That's the handle outside. We're going to have to tilt the lock, like pull it towards us to tilt it this way and push it to release it from the handle outside. Sometimes you need to reach behind and pull on the handle to get enough clearance, but that's what you need to do inside. Let's back up here. Okay. Let me just, no, I'm blocking you here. Tilting it up. I'm pulling on the outside door handle to get the clearance that I need. There we go. And it's out. Now I pull this down. Sounds like that just came off and it's in my door. Okay. Where a magnet comes into play. Where did it go? Oh, come on. Jeez Louisa. This guy just clips in somewhere. So this is what it looks like on the outside. This goes to the door handle. Actually, it goes that way. Door handle just like that. And to open this is your child locks on it and everything. This is your, this goes up top. It just sticks in right there. To go up there, I'm going to leave that off for a second. Okay, so now what we have to do so we're going to undo our locks. So our black one goes to our sensor. The gray one goes to our actual door mechanism or door locker guy. I'm going to pop all those apart and off. We're going to rotate this. There is just a little tab under here, so if I get my screwdriver in there, I can kind of lift up on the tab. There we go. While pulling it towards me, and just kind of squeeze it out, ease it out, if you will, and it's gonna pop right out. And it's bad. I don't even know why I put this one in. It makes me mad. Whatever. We're going to get our brand new one and put it on there. Ooh, let's see. We're going to go. You have this L shape. It's going to fit right up in here with the bracket. I'm going to line that up. And then we're also going to line up where our lock position is in the back. We're going to ever so gently ease it into place. There you go. And it is in in place. So you've got a tab here and a tab here that slides in. So we're going to put our electrical connectors back on. Remember, the gray went on this guy. The black one over here. It's being, oh, there we go. So I got the keys in my pocket. Let's just check it. Lock, unlock. Oh, perfect. That's what we've been missing. This is the door my son uses the most, and it was really annoying that we couldn't get it locked and unlocked. So what I'm gonna do, I know this guy goes right here. And put him back in place. You know, it might be a little bit more difficult to get everything around here. But ultimately this goes, let me actually pull that off. This is gonna sit in the door like this. So we need everything. Let's actually push in this. This is going to make it much easier with that guy loose. Remember to put that back in. So you go in. And remember, put it in your handle, like I told you how you have to get it out. You have to put it back in the handle. Otherwise, your outside handle won't work. And then, let's get this guy where he needs to go. Side. Okay, there's that. Make sure this guy. Actually, where it needs to be. I'm gonna one of my screws here. Just so it won't go anywhere. Push this back into place right there. Okay, so we're back in. Now these had a little bit of blue Loctite on it. You can feel free to put whatever you want on there. I am just going to reassemble it the way it was. And then on the door here, all I'm doing is there's some witness marks where the screw heads were. Just making sure they're kind of the same place. Digging the paint in the process. All right, so that's in. Got our lock here. In place. The latch out here. So everything should be good, so let's lock it. It locks. It unlocks. That's what we want. That's good. Okay, so we're going to reassemble. I'm going to get some stuff here to fix my door, and I'll be right back. I'm going to kind of set everything back where it needs to go. Kind of push on it. to where it needs to be. You can see where your hooks go down into the door. Secure it on. Go like that. And then, where I tore my cover, I'm going to be using this. This is just, I don't know if it's the right stuff, but it works for the application. This is aluminum tape for the HVAC stuff. Let me see if I can get my hand back there. There we go. And I do have it on the back side, a little bit down here too. So this is what I had on hand. I imagine anything just kind of help divert, if any moisture gets back there, to divert it down and not to the interior of the car. Interior. Jeez, if I can talk today. There. Haha! I know that's as bad as ghetto as you get, but you know what? It works. It's an 07. Okay, up next, we have the door panels. We're going to put this back on. We're going to plug it back in and button it back up. Super easy here. We've been going all of 20 minutes, and that's been me huffing and puffing and struggling along the way. Up, get the door locker in it. There you go. Kind of push in on the door panel as it's going down. Perfect. So now we just need to put all our bolts back in. Oh, I know, I'm blocking the camera again. Alright, we're just, by the way, so the top cover is going to slip on the front for the top first, and then just push back into place. This guy just pushes on. And then one last screw right here at the bottom. See my ugly body again. There we go. That's it. Door panel replaced. Let's make sure it locks, unlocks. That's what we want. So now let's test the door. Shut, open, lock. But you can't see anything, but you can see me open it. And open. There you go, guys. Not too difficult to get this job done. Just takes a little bit of time. Like I said, you just need a T27 for these, and then you need a 7mm for everything else. If you like what you saw here, thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.